Welcome back guys, and in today's video we'll be talking about Microsoft Azure, but before that make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications as well. So Microsoft Azure is a cloud service created by Microsoft to build, manage and deploy applications and services to a global network through Microsoft managed data centers. And Microsoft announced their Windows Azure platform in 2008 and it was commercially available in 2010, but it was renamed as Microsoft Azure in 2014. And Microsoft Azure is an example of a public cloud. So with a public cloud, all hardware, software and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider, and you can access these services and manage your account only using a web browser. So Azure provides models which include software as a service, platform as a service and infrastructure as a service, and supports many different programming languages, tools and frameworks, including both Microsoft specific and even third-party software and systems. Azure Cloud Platforms offers more than 200 products and cloud services which have been designed to help bring new solutions to life to solve today's challenges. So you can build, run and manage applications across multiple clouds with the tool and frameworks of your choice. And Azure offers a number of domains like compute, storage, security, databases and many more, and each of these domains contains certain number of services where all of these services follow a pay for what you use model, where you pay only for the services you use, so there is no long-term commitment. How exactly does Microsoft Azure work? So once customers subscribe to Azure, they have the access to all services included in the Azure portal. Subscribers can use these services to create cloud-based resources which includes virtual machines, databases and many more. Infrastructure of Azure is not just about these bunch of services. The main pillars are compute, storage and network, and everything on Azure is found on top of these pillars and they form a foundation for your cloud infrastructure. So you can build your own architecture for infrastructure as a service products such as Azure VMs, or you can take advantage of the platform as a service offerings such as Azure App Services. And Azure is globally connected through availability zones, where each zone is made up of one or more data centers. And talking about data centers, it is basically a unique physical building that contains thousands of physical servers with its own power, cooling and networking infrastructure. These data centers are located all over the globe. As of 2021, there are over 160 data centers in 67 regions globally. Now finally, let's look at the large companies using Azure. So companies including Samsung, eBay and BMW use services from Microsoft Azure, but small business, startup and beginners also benefit from Microsoft Azure. In fact, 40% of Microsoft Azure's revenue comes from new startups. And that brings us to the end of this video regarding Microsoft Azure. If you like the video, make sure to share it, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well.